Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here and welcome to episode 539 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, HIVE has reported its Q3 results. BITF.V is purchasing 48,000 micro-BT miners. DMG has been selected by EcoPowers for Bitcoin mining operations, and BIGG.C Netcoins has posted a 54% month-over-month increase in revenue. Just before we get into the news, however, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And while you're at it, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. Some of these include the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast and also the Cannabis podcast. Both of those will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. So HIVE Blockchain Technologies Limited, which trades on the TSXV under the ticker symbol HIVE, has reported its results for the third quarter ended December 31st, 2020. Highlights include $13.7 million of income from digital currency mining. That's an improvement of 174% over Q3 of the previous year, and a gross mining margin expansion from $3.8 million last year to $10.6 million. HIVE's executive chairman Frank Holmes explained, quote, "Even with the challenges that have been faced with raising difficulty levels, the strong cryptocurrency prices coupled by our continued focus on lowering costs at our operations, we've seen very strong results for our shareholders. Our Sweden and Iceland operations mining Ethereum on the cloud has been and continues to be a very stable and profitable business for us. On average, we have been producing around 20,000 Ethereum coins per quarter, and when we experience quarters above that level, it is due to bonus transaction fees that vary from quarter to quarter." End quote. BITF.V Limited, which trades on the TSXV under the ticker symbol BITF, has announced a purchase agreement for 48,000 new micro-BT miners, a move that is expected to increase the company's hashing capacity by approximately 5 exahash. Emiliano Grodzki, the CEO of BITF.V, commented, quote, "This is another great milestone in the history of our company. With this equipment purchase agreement, BITF.V is positioned to remain in the top tier of publicly traded crypto mining companies in the world. This purchase and expansion will be the cornerstone of our corporate growth strategy through 2022. The supply of miners will be one of the greatest challenges in the foreseeable future due to a global shortage of wafers used to create semiconductor chips, which is a vital component in mining rigs. Our strategy will be to continue to grow our own infrastructure and professional operations and conduct mining in our own facilities, which increases operational efficiency and profitability." End quote. DMG Blockchain Solutions Inc., which trades on the TSXV under the ticker symbol DMGI, has been selected by EcoPowers LLC, that's rendered ECOPWRS, to lead the development and management of its Bitcoin mining operations in the Permian Basin of the United States. According to the press release, EcoPowers reduces natural gas flaring by using gas to generate electric power and operate Bitcoin mining servers at well sites. EcoPowers CEO John Heffernan explained, quote, "The sites will be powered by recovering and using wasted natural gas at current gas flaring and gas processing sites, allowing EcoPowers to generate electricity for the Bitcoin mining operations at a very low cost. It's important to note that electricity is the largest factor determining profitability in Bitcoin mining, and EcoPower's waste gas-based generation will place the production cost for ourselves and our partner DMG among the lowest of all global Bitcoin miners." End quote. Finally, Netcoins, the online cryptocurrency brokerage of BIGG Digital Assets Inc., which trades on the CSE as BIGG.C, saw revenue increase by 54% month over month for February 2021. At $1.25 million, this is a new record high for the company. Netcoins also saw 41% growth in its monthly active users. The company's president, Mitchell Demeter, had this to say, quote, "Despite February being a shorter month, Netcoins has continued to grow at an exceptionally fast pace. We are encouraged by all major metrics, particularly new customer onboarding, which increased by nearly 50% daily, which is the engine for future revenue and trading volume growth. As we head into March, we will continue to expand our marketing programs. I look forward to updating shareholders on our progress again soon." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.